Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Now I picked these coins up a couple of months ago now. I actually got all three of them with postage for less than £5, which is incredible, seeing as though their mintage figures are actually around the 30,000 each, making them 7 times rarer than the rarest 50p in UK circulation, the Kew Gardens. Now I am going to give them a clean tomorrow, just because they are a little bit beyond what I would call leaving a coin in its normal condition. I am really against cleaning coins, it will take the value away, but sometimes, like I say, I've picked these up for less than £5 anyway. They're definitely going to be worth more if I can get a good finish on them, and if I don't, I've only wasted £5 at the end of the day. If anyone does have any good ideas of how I can try and get them clean tomorrow, please do comment below. I'll give you a shout out, and we'll maybe try 3 different of your ideas at home, because there's 3 coins. So tell me how to clean these below, and as always guys, thanks for watching.